We'll guide you through how to make an anvil in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Anvils are super useful as you can repair tools and add enchantments with them as well. So to go and do this, you are going to need 31 pieces of iron. To get iron ingots, you need to go and find iron ore, which you can find from mining or exploring, and you can then go and put it in a furnace and smelt it. After you've got your 31 iron ingots, come to a crafting table. And what you need to do is go and put a piece of iron into every square. I'm going to go and do this 3 times because we need 3 iron blocks. As you can see, we've now got 3. Place 3 iron blocks at the top like so, and then grab your 4 iron ingots and place the 3 at the bottom like so, and then 1 in the middle. And as you can see, you get yourself an anvil. And what you can then do is place it. And to go and use it, all you need to do is right click on it, and you can then go and repair items and also go and add enchantments to items as well from books. If you found this useful, then leave a like.